new bumper arrived. I was looking around to get one used, hoping to pick up something cheap, hoping to find somebody parting out a vehicle that had a good one. Couldn't find anything. So I ended up just buying one off eBay. Wasn't terribly expensive, like 45 bucks or something, which, you know, used would have been cheaper. Anyways, I got a new one here. I'm cleaning it up. It comes as Electrocoat Black. So it looks nice right now, but it's not a final coat, and it'll get UV degraded. So if you just bolt this on, it's gonna fade and it's gonna rust. So what we decided to do on this one is we're gonna hit it with some truck bed liner. And since this is pretty slick stuff already that I'm gonna paint, I'm coming through and I'm scuffing it up with a sponge sanding brush right now to get good scuffing in it so our truck bed liner adheres to it pretty well. So I'm gonna get this all sanded, cleaned up, wipe it down with some acetone, and with a lint-free rag, and then I'll spray on my truck bed liner.
All right, so we got our new bumper and we sprayed it down last night with some truck bed lining, which makes a really nice, pretty coat. Really like it, a tough coat. And then there was this plastic bit here that was a little bit bent. We heated it up with a heat gun to kind of straighten it out a little bit, but then it had to be riveted on. We just finished doing that, forgot to set up the camera for it, but you can see there's these rivets here. And so I've got these little plastic rivets, and you know, when you do one of those rivets, it makes a nice little squeeze and puts a rivet in there. So now it's ready to go on. So we're going to set up the camera and do a time lapse where we put the bumper back on. You'll see how we have to reach up in there and put those 15mm nuts on it, but it'll go pretty fast from here on out, the bumper, and then put the end caps on. Alrighty.